Prices are rising, and your money is disappearing faster than you realize. Groceries are up, insurance premiums are up, subscriptions keep sneaking in, and if you're not tracking every dollar, you're already falling behind. Let me ask you something. Do you know exactly how much you spent last month on food? How about gas? Subscriptions, random account buys, different purchases on Amazon? If your answer is sort of or not really, that's the problem. In times like these, vague isn't safe. You need precision. Most budgeting apps gives you maybe pie charts, categories, maybe a few reminders, but they're not actually designed for people who want true control. They hide the data behind clunky apps or limit what you can actually do. So that's why I use Tiller Money. It's not an app, it's a spreadsheet automation tool that puts your finances in your hands. So Tiller links your bank accounts directly to Google Sheets or Excel, so every transaction, every balance, and every budget line is updated automatically. No manual entry, no copying and pasting, no guesswork. Here's what people don't realize. When you're not tracking your spending precisely, you overspend without knowing it. $20 here, $50 there. By the end of the month, you're wondering how your savings disappeared. Tiller exposes that and helps you plug the holes before it's too late. It comes with these pre-built templates, dashboards, and custom categories. And if you're spreadsheet savvy, you can pretty much make it do anything. Budgeting, net worth tracking, even debt payoff planning. It's finance your way with automated data that never sleeps. If you've ever said, I just need to get a handle on my finances, this is how you do it. Click our special link in the description below to try Tiller Money free for 30 days. You'll be shocked at what you uncover. Because when your income stays the same but prices keep rising, only those who track really survive and thrive. Don't wait until you're broke to get clarity. You'll regret not using Tiller, so start today.